Okay, let's go. Don't let the size of the Mini Lenny fool you. The flavors that are coming out of this little trailer are huge and robust, just like the personality of the chef you're about to meet, Lynn Wren. Let's check it out. Tell me the story about the Mini Lenny. What's going on here?
I wanted to bring a high-end, tasty cuisine to people that wasn't about a big bowl of starch with some protein on top.
Now, I hear that this Thai lamb slider
They're pretty ridiculous.
is not only ridiculous, but I've heard it's also quite unique. Lynn makes the slider with fresh Washington lamb, garlic, mint, and cilantro, topping it all off with her secret sauce, crunchy peanut butter.
So you're getting layers
Yeah.
of flavor repeated throughout it, and for some ridiculous reason, it works. It's gonna make your mouth happy.
You're right.
I told you.
It's making my mouth happy. That's fantastic.
I'm so glad you like it.
Now it's time to see what other people think of this delicious creation. Have you frequented Mini Lenny's little trailer before?
Not yet. It's delicious. It's the best you'll have, hands down.
She can cook.
And she's mixing it up, is what it sounds like. Do you like lamb?
I love lamb.
I think we're in for a treat. So this is going to be a fun little Thai surprise. So why don't you give this a try?
Is that peanut butter? Peanut butter. Soft and tasty.
Just kind of melts in your mouth.
That's bomb. This is great. I love it.
Almost tastes like peanut butter in there.
There is peanut butter on that.
No way.
It's a weird combination you wouldn't think would work, but I mean, it's awesome. It's epic.
You don't go home saying, hey, let me put some peanut butter on some lamb.
Right, exactly. I think you signed me up for 12.
Matter of fact, I might walk over there and get another one.